who we're asking you to leave, we really want you to take that to heart. I know there's a few folks that I've seen on the internet that make the comment that it's not that important, that maybe I'm going to stay, that I never thought this was important to leave and so forth, and every time I leave, it's the wrong thing to do. It doesn't take but one time to lose your life, okay? One time, one time, and it's over. I don't want anybody on my watch taking that one time to make it and to be brave or to be whatever you want to call it and to set out.
And that was the mayor of Savannah, Georgia, there speaking. And speaking of Savannah, we have contraflow now in effect, I-16. And
notice how empty it is.
That you're seeing is people going in the normal direction. It's the other side of the highway. We're looking for people to be going in also that same direction, away from the camera. So both sides of the highway should be going away from the camera, and
yeah, shouldn't that be packed going north or whichever way it is away from the storm? Why do they want us to leave so bad that this is just isn't right. Look at the straight line through the storm right there.
You'll see even as you look at the flight tracker.
Where's the left part of it?
There are not planes that are coming into the east coast of Florida, and it will stay that way. As we head into the afternoon, Jacksonville, you know, that airport, which from what I understand is
still powerful Dorian, threatening southeast coast.
You know, we could have some issues there.
I mean, this is just.
You know, I think that we will be okay as we go through the day, but some stray showers might hold us back. The delays, you know, it's going to be interesting because when you look at delays, you're going to be deceived. If everything's canceled...
Oh, deceived? Just like you guys have deceived us repeatedly over and over again.
Jim, you were talking about earlier some, you know, sand really being pushed up. Are those homes that are right on the beach, or are they getting on to, like, you know, A1A? That beachfront.
How do these guys live with themselves? I used to look up to these guys, especially Jim.
I do not. That was MacArthur Boulevard. And that was,
but obviously, they've turned to the wrong side, sitting here spewing lies.
We also had sand washing up into a home. But this is a very challenging area as it presents itself to us in terms of ocean and river and lake. How do you move all this water around? I want to talk to Captain Fitzpatrick.
Look at that's live in Stuart, Florida right now. 31 mile per hour winds.
So let's think back to, you know, Francis and Jean of recent memory. What kind of problems did they pose?
They show the storm just sitting right offshore.
What we may deal with here, certainly the Dorian.
Right. Well, you know, you come into the season and hopefully, you know, we've been responsible. We've got nice, healthy beaches. Everything's in place. And then you start to get these storms, and when they hang around or you get them one after another, you start to get things into a compromised position. And then it's easier and easier to get these impacts. We can't fight Mother Nature. We just have to try to work.
Oh, yeah, keep calling her Mother Nature.
Sometimes you're not as successful as other times.
So, you know, so the earliest part of this, we were looking down the barrel at potentially a Category 4 coming in, not to mention soaking inland areas that have already been wet this summer so far, like Lake Okeechobee. How's the dance performed of getting that water out?
The dance.
You know, fresh water and not flooding areas.
Well, I mean, you know, that's it. And this was really kind of coming together at the worst possible time. We had so much rain, like you said, like the Okeechobee's filling out. You get the storm surge on top of the king tide, and you would be looking at extensive flooding throughout the county. And water management in an area like this is a huge problem. And all you can do is work with Mother Nature as the tides start to go out and try to
there they go
around and get it into the places that are the most efficient to get rid of it. But sometimes
look at this. You see where it's sitting? Look at this. But for some reason, there's no rain, hardly at all. Oh, Lord, please allow people to see all these videos and all these people showing that this is pure deception. They just cost millions of families all the money they had, terrified them for so long, and then they did actually hurt people in the Bahamas.
We're probably going to deal with tropical storm gusts in the bands, and obviously the run-up at the time of high tide.
Well, really, the way I look at this is it's setting us up for the next one. What comes next? Because we're not in the condition we were before this. We've been inundated on.
Oh,
We're
nice.
going to be compromised, even if they're not.
What comes
impacted
next?
To a great extent. So
They're
what
already
comes next,
programming
we've
you
got
for the
Northeast
next
coming,
storm.
deploy cameras. It just puts us in a position where we're not quite as resilient as we were.
Constantly fighting what's happening on the coastline in here. Well, I mean, it didn't play out like that, at least, thank goodness, for a lot of people. But, our hearts are going out to the Bahamas. I mean, some of these pictures are just...
I can't even imagine. Cannot imagine what that is like. For us, this was just a very good drill. For them,
Did you just hear that?
Like you said, it has potentially weakened us.
A very good drill.
We're not even at the heart of hurricane season.
Wow.
Right, but we're ready to react.
There we are. Thanks, Kathy.
All right.
Appreciate that. So thanks for talking to us again. Very difficult. Again, it didn't sugarcoat it at all. How challenging it is to move the tremendous amounts of water here, the St. Lucie River, Okeechobee to our west, and of course the ocean.
Wow.
All right, guys, taking again a live look at the ocean and through here. Hurricane hunters out there finding a weaker storm, but a very powerful one at that.
Oh, jeez. They just called it a drill. And then warned us of the next one.
You take Dayquil Severe Liquid Cap.
Guys, please be prepared. This looks like they're planning to use this weapon again later in the year. And they won't miss. They won't miss. God bless.